The question is integration of x cos inverse x upon 1 minus x square dx. Now let's use substitution here. Now let cos inverse x is equal to theta. Now differentiating with respect to x, minus 1 upon under the root 1 minus x square dx is equal to d theta. So now we are left with here dx upon 1 minus x square, that becomes d theta, cos inverse x becomes theta, and what x is here, and x is equal to cos theta. Okay, so putting this in the question, we are having negative, that is this one minus d theta it becomes. Okay, so this becomes x is cos theta and cos inverse x is equal to theta. So theta with cos theta d theta. Is it clear? Whole of the question converts in this format. Now integrating by parts, what we are having now, first function, second function. Is it clear? So we are having negative of, let's take this outside now, first function as it is, integration of cos theta d theta minus integration d by d theta of theta, integration of cos theta d theta and d theta, negative of theta with sin theta minus integration of sin theta d theta, and this becomes now minus theta sin theta minus, now sin theta, that becomes minus of cos theta plus c, and this reduces to minus theta sin theta minus cos theta plus c. Negative and negative becomes positive, and again negative is outside. Okay, so we are left with these things now, that is negative of theta sin theta, negative of theta sin theta. Now let's put the values. Negative of theta with sin theta 1 minus cos theta plus c. Now theta, what we are having, theta is cos inverse x and x is cos theta. Okay, so to this part what we are going to write, theta under the root 1 minus cos square theta minus cos theta plus c. So now theta cos inverse x, negative of cos inverse x, cos theta is x under the root 1 minus x square minus x plus c, negative under the root 1 minus x square cos inverse x minus x plus c. Answer.